You already have resources. I'm not talking about some future opportunity. I mean right now. Your time, your attention, your digital presence. You generate value every single day, and most of it disappears into systems you don't own and will never share in. That's not a tech problem, it's a participation problem. We've normalized handing away value in exchange for convenience. Telecommunications networks, platforms, fraud prevention systems, data-driven infrastructures, all quietly powered by people like you. Trillion-dollar ecosystems built on collective activity while individuals remain spectators. This video is informational and not sponsored or endorsed by Unity Nodes or Minutes Network. It reflects our own view of the opportunity. Unity licenses exist to flip that equation. For some people, that extra income funds better health choices. For others, it buys time, flexibility, travel, education, or simply a higher quality of life. The freedom to make decisions on your own terms, invest in personal growth, and shape your daily experiences rather than reacting to external demands. A Unity license allows you to run the Unity app, which completes tasks for the telecommunications network and rewards you for participating. To put it in perspective, platforms built on distributed participation can grow very large. Airbnb generated around $11 billion in 2024. Uber reported about $12 billion in the same year. Unity applies the same logic, not by owning assets, but by coordinating existing ones, your devices and connectivity, in ways that generate rewards. Telecommunications fraud and related security costs are significant. Global losses reached nearly $39 billion in 2023. Malicious actors exploit networks through subscription fraud, identity manipulation, billing abuse, and other vulnerabilities. Responding to these challenges requires continuous investment in security and verification, which ultimately comes at a cost to operators, and indirectly, all of us. Unity licenses create a way for individuals to participate in the distributed infrastructure that supports these networks. You don't need technical expertise, fancy equipment, or extra time, just a device and an activation code. Plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and let it quietly run in the background while rewards start accumulating. Here's what you need to get started. Android devices running Android 6 or newer, iPhones with iPhone 7 or newer, iOS 12 or newer. Tablets are supported on both platforms. Each device runs one license. Multiple devices means multiple licenses. Activation takes less than 5 minutes, and rewards usually start within 24 hours. The app is free to download from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. We provide the activation code at no cost. There's no upfront purchase, no hidden fees, and you can stop participation at any time by deleting the app and data. The app is privacy compliant. It doesn't access your personal content, messages, media, or information. It simply contributes to background network verification and computational work. Downloads come directly from official app stores to ensure authenticity. Rewards are paid daily based on device uptime, task completion, and overall network participation. Rewards are denominated in UP tokens, where 1 UP equals $1 with a minimum withdrawal of 5 UP or $5. Withdrawals currently use cryptocurrencies such as USDT or USDC, with direct bank payouts planned for the future. Because the app has only been operational since late last year, it is still in an early growth phase, and current reward levels remain relatively modest. As adoption increases and the network matures over time, higher reward levels may be possible. This is not a promise, but an illustration of what participation in a growing and expanding network can enable. Controlled testing shows that a single license can generate around $96 per month. Real-world results vary depending on device uptime, network conditions, and the ongoing development of the platform. This is a practical way to supplement your income, gain financial flexibility, and repurpose devices you already own without changing your job, lifestyle, or identity. To get started, you need a compatible device and an activation code from us. Setup takes under 5 minutes. Whether it's one license or multiple for yourself or family members, send us an email or complete the form on our website at Metamorphic Mind. Turn idle devices into ongoing rewards. Capture the value you already generate. Make the system work for you. Grab your Unity license today and start turning everyday activity into real, tangible benefits for your life.